So here are my beautiful raised beds. The only problem with raised beds is that's a lot of area to be filling with dirt.
We'll get the headache rack out. That was a little long.
I am not liking following him around with the camera and watching him do work, because watching somebody else do work
Is not in your vocabulary.
No, it's terrible. It's
a
like
horrible
it's torture. So
Yeah.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave you up here to do all your work, and I'm gonna go play in the woods, and I'm gonna go for a walk and see if I can find some food. This is what it looks like right now. Right there. He's gonna do some cleanup, and I'm gonna go do some foraging. So, totally wish I'd have had the camera running the whole entire time, because, yeah, I just fell through our bridge. That would have made for some really good footage for y'all. Yeah. And that's good for an injured back. Nice job, Angie. Doubt the ground temperature is up too much, but it's better than sitting and watching somebody else work. Oh man, look at that big one. It's pretty dry, but look at the size of that honker. I mean, it's not like I have big gigantic hands, but that's still a pretty big mushroom. Yeah, it'd been nice to find this a day or two ago, but it's still moist enough. I'm taking it home. That's a decent sized crawdad hole. That was actually one of my jobs growing up. My dad always loved fishing, and he would use crawdads for bait. So whenever he decided he wanted to go on a big fishing trip, our job, he would give us the bowl, and we had to go down to a creek, and we had to stay down at the creek until we filled our bowls up. And I'm sure that was probably just another way for him to get us out of the house and out of his hair, and it worked. But yeah, sometimes it'd be easy to find enough to fill the bowls up, because I have two brothers, so they had to have theirs filled up too. And They all had to be filled before we could come back. So we'd help each other fill our bowls up. Well, sometimes we helped each other. Some people down south eat those. I mean, they call them crayfish, I think. Here they're called crawdad. I think they're the same thing, but yeah. Down south, that's food. Around here, that's bait. So, another ashtray. And look around. Give you guys a chance to find it. See it? Pretty average size, but can't believe the yellows are up already. The blacks didn't last very long. These morels are a little bit different. These are what we call yellow morels. Last video you seen, those were black. That was a black morel. Those were black morels. These are yellow. Yeah. Anytime I find one, I like to look around because sometimes where you find one, you can find a nice little honey hole. So, not seeing any right now, but I'm gonna keep looking around. During yellow morel season, corn cobs throw me off every time. You say you're ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready to go. I think we got enough cut up to fill it up.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Look, violets.
Oh, look at that. Did you find some more?
I'm a failure's wife.
Whoa, no you're not. Look at that.
I only found one more.
That's enough for a meal. You are not a failure. You're awesome. Thank you.
Well, it's not like I cut a whole wagon full of wood. Yeah, that looks a lot better.
I went this way. And cut.
Hold on.
I went down this way and cut that open, so maybe we can go down there and turn around, come back out, cut that crap up over there. Alright, you got a particular way you want this in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want this wood to go in one of those.
You want to fill the other one up? Or?
Yep. Well, I can, but
I think I'm gonna get them big pieces of rock and stuff laying over there. Throw in there.
it'd be perfect for it. Perfect. But if I take this chunk of it out, then I'd have a nice little walkway from the garden to, and you know where we could put the wood. It's really close. So yeah, I'm gonna call that a perfect accident. Let's not even call it an accident. I planned that. I planned it that way. Not really, but I don't know. I think it's a good idea. What do you think?
I think it's a great idea.
Off my plant. It's not your mountain.
I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down.